Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix WhatsApp microphone problem. To know how to fix WhatsApp microphone problem, you should just go to settings like this. We will click like this. After that, in this list you will go to click apps here, default apps, app settings. When you will see this list, you will go to the application of WhatsApp. We will click here and we will enter. After that, in this page you will go to force stop. When you will end this, you will enter to storage like this, and then in this page you will click clear cache, and after that you will go to clear data, and after all that you can turn off your Wi-Fi, so that you can know how to fix WhatsApp microphone problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for watching.